Hello everyone, just received this Noco GBX75 device won't turn on, flashlight doesn't work, it's no boosting, completely dead. So I already took it apart, and this is the battery connector. And so we check the voltage in the battery between the black wire to the red wire. Is a 2 volt. The battery has 2 volt. This battery is supposed to be about 16 volt. So it's marked here 14 volt, but it's go up to 16 volt. So this cell which has half between green and blue. It has half, the black and green, blue and yellow half, yellow and the red 0.8. So the cells doesn't have even 1 volt. This is a common problem for this GBX. The battery drained by itself, no short, no damage in the board, just the battery draining by itself. Okay, and this is the battery connector. We're gonna plug this connector to the 16 volt power supply and let it charge for like 5-10 minutes. But before we do that, let me show you that the system is not going to charge now, because the processor, you know, the chip, it's going to need the VCC to start working. The chip is not going to have with this low voltage, the chip is not going to have the enough volt to start working, to start allow the charge to go to the battery. So let's plug the device to the charge, just we see what it's doing. Now you can see the amp meter. The charging station, doesn't detect the device connected. Alright. So the red, we're gonna connect it to the red, and the black to the black. Which one is? Okay, the black is here. It's go about 14 volt. Too much amp, so let's go like 3 amps, so for the wires so don't get hot. And you can see here the voltage is going to start going up. So it's a 12 volt and it's still going up. So we are like boosting, giving some charge to the battery. When the battery has enough charge, it's going to allow the chip the charging chip to start charging the battery, and we can charge it in a normal way. The same thing as the car, you give it a jump for the engine to start, then the engine is going to start charging the battery. Alright, we give it like a 5-10 minutes and come back.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, it's been about like 5 minutes now. You can see the voltage is up to 15.4 and it's taking about 2 amps. So let's disconnect it. Yeah, the wire is a little bit warm, but it's not something that we'll be worried about. And let's check how much voltage we have now. We have 13.7. Yeah, this is a quick charge. So let's plug it back and we put it in the okay, you can see now is number 1. How much it has? It has 1 amp, the number 1. So it is charging. Let's see. 13.7. I'm checking to see if anything getting hot around the board. Everything is good.
I don't want to spend our lives worrying about money. We've got dreams. We've got to make them happen. So we bought some ETFs from Quest Street.
So we'll leave it in the charge for a couple hours. This is a big battery.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, and the battery connector we have 14 volt. So that's good. And now if we connect it to USB-C 20 volt, this little amp meter here that's going to show us how much. You can see is a 19 volt 2 amp. Yeah, the device and the fast charging option. I know we can even turn it on. Like you can see, it turns on, it shows like 50%. Gonna boost. Yeah, it's boosting. The LED light works.
Yeah, if you're Drew, you are in dreamland with those two giving you service, and that's exactly what they did tonight. I think Dembele played a game where he kind of
So the battery go flat
Mbappe on the other side, who's the
is a very common problem for this
he was just good on the right. So
GBX series. All the GBX, they have this battery problem. The Noco GB150 full charge, can see green light solid. Turn it on, power on fine. It's boosting. The light works. So yeah, this device works. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.